Welcome. I'm Rob Straharek, one of the owners of Masterplan. Today, I am so excited to introduce a new video series to you. It's called the Masterplan X-Ray. During this series, we're going to give you an in-depth look behind the scenes and under the surface about our building process and what we do different in comparison to our competitors. We want to show you all the phases of construction and what happens even before construction begins, starting with the design and planning. Maybe we visit your home site and do a soil test at that time, to the point where we pull permits, dig your foundation, frame your home, roughen the mechanicals, and eventually clean and proudly hand you the keys to your new home. If you'd like to watch this series and subscribe, please do so, or check us out at masterplanhomes.com. Thanks for watching.